So let's take a look at WTI crude oil for this week. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, please do that. Click on the subscribe button. I really, 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 really need you to actually subscribe. Become one of my subscriber. Just click by clicking on that subscribe button. You can also make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. So if you take a look at this WTI crude oil, we are kind of having like a range market move around this level, right? We can see that once price comes to a level of, will I say 80, right? 80, 82, within this level of 80, 82, we tend to have a rejection or a drop at this same level. So when we take a look at this level also, I think there's kind of like a support level, if I'm not wrong. Sorry. So this is kind of like you can see that once price comes to this resistance level, we tend to get a drop. We see price come to this resistance level, we tend to get a drop to the support, then to come to this resistance level, and now a drop to the support. We can see it, price came to our resistance level, a drop to the support. We were close to this resistance level, though we had a drop to the support. Now price has gone bullish, right? So let's see if we would actually hit a level of 80. I think a level of 80, we actually, WTI will actually tap that level of 80 before we get that drop. So this week I am speculating a bearish move. Last week on WTI crude oil, we actually had a bullish move. Let's see if this bullish move will be complete. Once this bullish move is complete, then the next movement we will be expecting on this WTI is a bearish move, which means we will be dropping. So watch out for a bearish move this week. And let's see, 4 hour time frame, same thing. We will, once this price goes up a bit, we expect it, literally to actually drop. Let's see what this 1 hour time frame is saying. So same thing, right? We can see that price has gone bullish. So sooner or later, we will be expecting a drop on this WTI. So that is what I'm expecting us. We should be speculating a bearish move this week on WTI. So now I'm going to be putting a link to my Patreon channel. Right, I want you to actually become one of my Patreon subscribers. So in that channel, we tend to put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning, especially if you're having trouble growing up your accounts. Maybe you are taking your accounts, you are blowing up your accounts. What I tend to do is actually put out trade that we are very much likely to win. Yes, we might not be 100% correct, that is for sure. We know we can't be 100% correct, but the chances of us winning that trade is very, very high. So once you go to my channel, check the playlist, you see some of the trade we have actually had back there. You see that majority of all the trade that we actually had that I've put out on this my channel playlist actually got to our target, majority of it. So this is one of the trade I actually took last week. There's one trade we actually took last week. We actually had about 9 trade. Seven of those trades actually got our profits. We actually profited a lot. Last week, which is February 27th to March 3, we did not have much trade, and markets kind of act funny. One of the reasons that, last week of the month and also first week of the month, price tends to react somehow, which you might not be able to really, trade with. So one of the reasons we did not have much trade. But anyway, we are able to hit our target. You can see US 30, you can go back to watch it. US is Nasdaq 100 and every other thing. So we will be having more trade this week. More setup is coming out, more major news will be coming out, and I'll be sharing it to that my Patreon channel. So once you become my Patreon subscriber, you'll be able to get access to that my trade that I'll be sharing. So like I said, become one of my Patreon subscriber, give it a try, just a month. Once after a month you are not comfortable with the service, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription, by the way.